So this is a video for all the shockingly bad McKenzie friends out there. Now, I'm aware of this bloke who has paid for services for someone at, where is it? What did he say it was? The Falsely Accused Network. The Falsely Accused Network, that's what it was. And I know why they've called themselves that now, because they make sure that any false allegation, all allegations are false against any man. That's what they're saying, because that's what they're saying. I'm aware of this bloke. There's this bloke, yeah, and he's telling me he's got a Section 7 report. I'm like, okay, fine. So let's have a look, basically, see what's going on. It seems that they're trying to hang him out to dry. But social services are dying to slap a big red sticker on his forehead that says, "Dangerous bastard, keep away from kids." And what does this so-called advocate, McKenzie friend, whatever, tell him? Deny everything. That's right. Great idea, Sherlock. Well done, you. Because that's going to look brilliant in court, isn't it? Like the judge is going to be like, "Oh, well done. Well done, mate. Well done. You lied consistently and refused to cooperate with anyone trying to keep your kids safe. Obviously, you're father of the year, right? Give him full custody." No, mate. It's not happening. Not happening. Meanwhile, there's an actual child protection plan in place. What? Excuse me? What? And a family group conference. What? Excuse me? What? Excuse me? Professionals around the table. Your kid might be in danger. Let's sort it out for you. But this geezer's wandering around like a bloody pub quiz. Child protection. Never bloody heard of it, mate. What's that, mate? What's that? Is that on Netflix? Child protection? Is it some sort of fucking sci-fi? No, mate. And here's what people don't get, right? Those meetings, child protection plan meetings, or child in need meetings, they're all that jazz. They're all like basically court hearings. They're as important as court hearings. You walk into one, you're in court, just without the wigs and the wooden hammer thing. Because whatever you say in these meetings gets written down. And it doesn't get written down in pencil either. It's there forever. So why, in the name of all that's holy, is this McKenzie friend geezer not going to those meetings? Why is he not showing up? Why is he not showing his face? Speaking up for his client or supporting his client through these challenging times. Challenging the bullshit. Educating his client on what abuse actually really is. Because let's be honest, he's either clueless, lazy, or he'd rather stay at home, play FIFA, while charging £50 an hour or £2,000 fixed cost for me to do his work. And people just deny it, mate, just deny it all. Just say it didn't happen, therefore it didn't happen. Meanwhile, the bloke he's helping ends up in court looking like a complete lunatic who won't cooperate with social services. And then the judge thinks, maybe this bloke is a bit of a risk. And it's the kids that suffer. But the McKenzie friend, nah, he's off counting his little money while I'm here giving free advice for nothing. It's a joke. It's like paying a plumber who refuses to touch water. Sorry, mate, don't do pipes, mate. Just deny it. Just deny that you got a leak in the first place. Just deny it. Listen, if you're in family court and your kids are on a protection plan or child in need plan, that's not a bloody coffee morning. That's not someone you can. It's not somewhere you can just turn up in your flip-flops, dribbling nonsense about parental rights. That's your future. That's your kid's future. Why would your so-called advocate not be there? It's like hiring a pilot that won't get on a plane. Oh, you're lovely. You're flying to Spain, are you? Lovely. Good luck there. I'll stay here and deny aeroplanes exist. Mate, sack him. Keep your money, but buy yourself something nice. A sausage roll, a pint, a scratch card, anything more useful than paying some prat to give you catastrophic advice. And remember, family court, it's not Vegas. What happens there does not stay there. It comes and follows you everywhere. This guy is being abusive. He needs to own his shit, but he's getting told not to. And then he wonders why afterwards he's had a bad experience in family court, and it's all corrupt because people get given the wrong information. Solicitors give the wrong information. McKenzie friends give the wrong information. I give the right information. Own your shit. Be humble. Show sacrifice. Offer compromise. Prepare to be pragmatic. You do all these things selflessly for the right reasons. There will be no need for a judge because you'll be doing everything child-focused. It'll be all selfless. Then will people see.